Today, I'm pumped to talk about Bugpilot and review this app. It's Mabub here with Lifetime Deals Review. For developers today, we're looking at Bugpilot, an AI-powered platform that helps you identify, prioritize, and fix user-facing bugs fast. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got new deals coming out every week, so stay tuned. Consider Bugpilot your personal bug detective because it will identify and help you eliminate user-facing bugs fast. This is your trusty reports page. Each report is like a little bug crime scene. You'll see which users found the bugs, where they're crawling around on your site, and the time they started making trouble. It's like a whodunit, but not as creepy. Enable automatic bug detection or add our widget to let your users report bugs. Like pros, you can even integrate Bugpilot with your help desk. That way, your support team can view reports and understand how to help your users, and with a public API, you'll have full control over the case. Let's look at a report, shall we? Bugpilot gives you so much info. For every bug, you've got a screen recording that captures the creepy crawlers in action. Bugpilot will pinpoint potential issues that could be causing the bug. It will also help you keep bugs under control with just one click. Easily track bugs by assigning a status and share them with your deputy with Bugpilot. They'll get everything they need to squash that bug for good. In these full incident reports, devs can see which steps will reproduce the bug, along with a bunch of technical mumbo-jumbo. Devs can also add user info that makes it easier to reproduce and fix issues. For instance, if there's a bug that only affects admins, they can run tests with that same user role to track the sucker down. Yeah, that bug's about to get the smackdown of them, thanks to Bugpilot. If you want to take back control of your site, get this tool right now. Click the link below to grab this